Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I just wanted to quickly do a walkthrough of a new funnel that I created. If you don't know what a funnel is, it's very simple. It's just a landing page that basically allows people to uh, opt in to your email list, and then you can send them on to a sales page. This is really useful in affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, guys, it's just referral marketing. Like people get all like, oh, it's network marketing, it's direct sales. No, it's if you want to break it down, it's referral marketing. Basically, you refer a customer to a company. If they buy something, you get paid a commission. That's the only thing it is. There's no upline, there's no downline, there's none of that stuff. It's just purely you get granted a unique link to you. If someone uses that link to buy something, then you get paid a commission. That's basically what it is. So if you're confused, like, oh, affiliate marketing, it's referral marketing. So you refer something. You could do it with a restaurant. You could like go out and literally go to a restaurant and say, hey, if I get customers to come to your restaurant and they present this card and you give them a discount, can you give me 5% of their table or whatever their bill? That would be referral marketing. That would be affiliate marketing. All right, so what did I create here? I created something. What happens is people get hung up on the techie parts. So what I created, guys, don't worry, I'm going to give this to you for free. It's like there's nothing, I am literally not selling anything here. Inside this funnel, there will be something to buy that you're going to be able to sell. So I'm not going to be selling it, and I don't want you really to be selling this. If you can wrap your head around, you want to give this to as many people, just like going back to the restaurant analogy. Don't worry about the people going to the restaurant to eat. Worry about getting that 10% off card or whatever it is to as many people as possible, because a percentage of them will go do it. A big percentage of them won't. So basically what this does is it gives you, it's basically 4 pages, and you're going to get, don't worry, you're going to get this, and it's going to give you step by step on how to go through it. And basically you just click here, put in your email list, your email address, and then you just go through the steps. So, and what happens when you put in your email address, I send you a quick start guide. I send you a guide that just makes it even quicker for you. Step 2, you basically import this system, right? You can get a free trial at ClickFunnels. Now remember, guys, ClickFunnels will be a monthly subscription, but don't get freaked out about it. If you want to have a business online, then you're going to have some costs. The hard cost to get started till you're about up to 5,000 people on your email list, and if you have 5,000 people on your email list, you're going to be making a great income, is about $130 a month. That's it, guys. $130 a month to make $500,000 every day. Like literally, if you set this up and do it and commit that you're going to do it, you will have all your expenses paid on by 4 or 5 a.m. on the first day of every month. So think about that. So it's really easy to do this, but you gotta follow the steps. So you import your funnel, and then you just move on to step 3. In step 3, we show you how to set up your email account and import a couple emails that you're going to use to send them back to the system when people opt in. Now remember, this is just a skeleton of a system that you're able, and I'll show you on page 4 what you're able to sell. So this steps you through, the video explains it, and then step 4 shows you how to put your affiliate links, like it shows you how to connect it all together, and then put your affiliate links in here so that when they're on step 2 and they click this button, you get paid the commission when they buy that. On step 3, when they click this button, you get paid the commission when they buy that. On step 4, when they click this button, you get the commissions, right? So I'm not getting the commissions, you get the commissions. Then on step 4, I made this space for you where you can collect way more commissions because I've created a little hub. So basically you walk them through, you've given them a free system, you've walked them through how to set it up, and then you've got a hub where you can change these to whatever you want. I recommend selling these programs or selling these programs, right? Well, let's see if this should refresh. This should be there. Now, you could maybe you've already affiliate for someone else. You can make these anything you want. Oh, here's a good time. Make sure you hit subscribe button. Make sure you hit like too so we can get this out to lots of people. So any of these, you can put your affiliate link in, right? This is another PDF download that is full of affiliate links that you could put your affiliate links into. All these links here, you can put your affiliate links into. So this whole thing is made for you where, like I said, there's no upline. I'm not, once you set your system up, then it's your system, right? And anybody that you give it to and they go through, you're going to make all those commissions. That's basically how it works. Now, if you don't want to do a system like this and you still want to do referral marketing, go over to Amazon, go to the bottom of the Amazon page and basically create an Amazon associate account. And when you make that Amazon associate account, then you're able to basically take affiliate links like Amazon products and go share them wherever you want. That's the easiest way to do it. But really, guys, this is I don't know how to make it any simpler. Like, I really don't. Like, it's basically you just walk through the steps, follow the videos, and walk through the steps. And then once you're here, once you need to go share this with people, just go over to my Instagram, right? It's right on page 4. Follow me on Instagram and just stop copying my videos. I make 7-second videos up to 60-second videos. That's all I make. I post them on Instagram and I post them on YouTube. And every day I get leads that people that opt into this, they go on to buy more products every single day. They buy this product, they buy this product, they buy this product, right? They buy these products here every single day. It's just a matter of getting people onto your list. And don't be discouraged. You know, when you start out, if you have a brand new Instagram account and you haven't been putting any content on it, it's going to take a little time to get some traction. But I can guarantee this. If you show up every day and make 1 to 2 videos every day, like literally it takes as long, like I take my phone, I put it on my little tripod here, I shoot my video, 7 seconds. I put it into something called CapCut, but you can do it right in Instagram itself. I add some text on the screen, I add some music, I upload it, and inside I say, if you want to learn more, message me, DM me, or something like that. And like I said, don't download my videos and use them. Copy my videos. Make the same videos as I make, right? Because they're going to be different because you're going to be making them. So they'll be similar to mine, but they'll be different. All right? So that's it. This is the easiest way I can explain how to make a and like you literally can make as much as you want because some of these programs, guys, once these start growing and you've got a lot of people coming into this product, or maybe you don't, maybe you only promote this product for this funnel for a little bit, and you promote one of these other things first, and then give them this next. The thing is that this funnel self-funds itself because of the way that it's set up. The minute they come in here, they're going to start getting a subscription. They're going to start getting paid. All right, that's why I like using this funnel to sell the stuff. All right, that's it. If you want this funnel, it's a link right below. It's my 6-figure system. Click it, go through it, set everything up. And you know what? Basically, take the free trial for 2 weeks. If it doesn't work for you, cancel it. Say it doesn't work, or I don't want to make videos all the time on Instagram. But if you really want to change your life, then you got to do something different, right? All right, guys, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow me. Go over to Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, cheers.